This is the intro of a song called Hotel California. This is one of the classic guitar intros to learn. So to learn this, we have capo on the 7th fret. Using the capo on the 7th fret, we have a couple of chord shapes to learn. So we have, first one is E minor, second one is B7, third one is D sus2. Then we have this A added 9th with related to capo on this 7th fret. So we have 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4 related to capo, 4th fret on the 5th string and 2nd fret on the 4th string. Holding that, we just play from the 5th string. Then we have a C chord. Then we have this G, but we use these mainly these 4 strings now. Then we go, so we gotta have different plucking pattern with that G chord, so you can use this G chord as a shape. Then we have A minor 7. If you know A minor chord, is just like lift this ring finger, then you have the A minor 7. Then we are back to B7 chord. So stretching this chord with the capo a little bit, you gotta slightly keep the capo a little bit towards to that 6th fret, that shaping, so that you can get a space to play that B7 chord. So now with E minor chord, we got to pluck 6, 5, then 3, 2, 1. So when you pluck, so try making this thumb hitting to the 5th string as well. Then we go 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3. Then we go 1st and 2nd string open. So then we go 3rd string and 2nd string together now, open. Then we gotta play 2nd fret on the 3rd string and again pluck. Same thing on the right hand, so we play 3rd and 2nd string. So 1st chord, then we have B7 now, 4, 3, 2, 5. Then we go 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 3, 2, 4. So that's the 2nd chord. Then we have 3rd, D sus2. So you have D major, you just lift this index, a middle finger. So then we pluck 4, 3, 2 together. So then we go 3rd string, 2nd string twice. So then we go 1st string open. So then come back to 2nd string. Then we have 4th string, 4, 3, 2. So then we have 5, 3, 2. 5th string open, 2nd fret, and then 2nd string open. We gotta lift that ring finger from D sus2. Then we go, yeah, so I'll just play this D sus2 again. Then we have that A added 9 chord. So that is again 5th string, 4th fret, 4th string, 2nd fret. So we gotta pluck 5, 4, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. So now I'll just play first 4 chords till here. So that's your next C chord. So we have a C major. So we hold a C major and pluck 5, 3, 2, 1 together. Then we go 4, 3, 4, 2, then 3, 2, 1. So then we go 5, 2. Then we have a hammer on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So we go, just lift that finger and play 4th string hammer on the 2nd fret, and we play 3rd string open. So the C chord would be again. Yeah, so that's the C chord. Next we go G. So we play 4, we just hold that 3rd fret on the 2nd and 1st string. So we play 4, 2, 3, then again 4, 1, 2. So 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So then we add the index finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Then we have 3rd string open, then 2nd fret on the 3rd. So we go 5, 3, 2, then we have 6, 4, 2. So lifting the high notes on that 2nd string. So next we have A minor 7, 5, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 1. So 5, 1, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3, 1. Then we have 4, 3 again. Then we go 6, 4, 2. We lift the index finger from A minor 7. So 4, 2, then 6, 4, 2. So A minor 7 would be. Then we go B7. So this is 5, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3,